Hi ladies, it's Aunt Kim Cole, and this is my second video for today. I received another glitter mix swap in the mail yesterday, and this is what the envelope looked like. Isn't that so cute? I love that duct tape. It was really cute. And this one was hosted by Glitter Girl 932, and not sure, I guess today's not my day with glitter mixes, because one of these mixes as well was ripped open. I stopped opening packages because I was getting scared. But this one, the first one, and it just really spilled into the bigger pouch. It didn't really spill. So I just put it in another baggie just to make sure it was okay. And this says Neon Pink Glitter Stars, The Harvest. But I can't tell who this is by. I don't know what the YouTube name is. So if this is your mix, if you could let me know, I'd like to check out your channel. It's a gorgeous mix. And it's this orange, black, and green mix. There's definitely a lot of glitter dots. As you can see, there's one there. There's orange and black glitter dots. There's some sort of green glitter going on as well. There might be like a fine, I think it's a fine green glitter in there. And then the nail art were these larger silver spangles, and then the pumpkins. And then the next one I got is from SM Paper 1990. Daywalker is the name of it. So it's this gorgeous black base mix with purple larger glitters in there, and it's just gorgeous. I love black base mixes. I'm learning. I wasn't sure if I really would, but they are gorgeous, and there's definitely some green sparkle in there as well. And I think those colors complement each other so well. It's gorgeous. So thank you for that one. The next one is another a black base mix, and this one is Happy Halloween by Nails by Brady. And her nail art, you can see there, I'm not sure why my camera's not focusing very well. I'm just not, I don't know if it's the lighting or what's going on, but there's some like orange heart Fimos there, and some, I don't know what those are, but they're so cute, those little Fimos. And then her mix is a black base mix, and it has some orange, green, purple tinsel. It looks like also some smaller colored maybe glitter dots or hexies. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, so thank you for that one. And then this one is the name of it is Leaf Pile, and look at the colors. I love this. This definitely reminds me of a fall leaf pile, because there's like the bronzes and the greens and the reds in there. And then her nail art, I believe these are, I'm not sure what these are, but I think Glitter Girl 932 has these. I think they're like laser shreds, I think they call them. For your nails. I don't have anything like this. I've never tried these, so I'm looking forward to trying these, and I think that would just look so pretty. Look at that. That's gorgeous. So, and this one is by, it must be I Run Scissors. That doesn't look like an I, but I think it is. I don't know anybody else with a screen name similar to that, so I believe that's who that is, and I love her channel. I always watch her videos. And then I believe this is my last glitter mix in this swap, and it's called All Hallows Eve, and it's by Breezy Nails. And her nail art are these big, I think they're sticky back rhinestones, and then there's some gorgeous apple Fimo down there. I've never ever seen that. I know my camera is not focusing, and I apologize. I don't know why it won't. But this mix is gorgeous. It's like orange, and there's some black going on in there, and I'm going to try and open this. Hopefully I don't lose any more glitter, because I just love that. Look at that. Oh, see, there's definitely some spangles in there, which I couldn't tell at first. Look at that. That's gorgeous. So, again, that's by Breezy Nails, and it's All Hallows Eve. So, thank you very much for that. Thank you, all you ladies, for these gorgeous glitter mixes. And until next time, thanks for watching.